Hi, I'm Mindy Guillory with CNS Occupational Medicine. Sleep apnea is a breathing-related sleep disorder that causes brief interruptions of breathing during sleep. These pauses in breathing can last 10 seconds or more and occur up to 400 times a night. According to the National Safety Council, 28% of commercial truck drivers likely have mild to severe sleep apnea, and these drivers are 5 times more likely to be involved in a crash. In 2013, a new law was put into place which included guidelines that the trucking industry was to use to screen and test for sleep disorders in commercial truck drivers. This law also gave each state authority to establish its own set of standards as to how it screened and tested drivers suspected of having sleep apnea. Then, in 2017, the FMCSA decided against moving forward on a possible regulation that would have mandated the testing and treatment of sleep apnea for truck drivers and other workers, partly due to the confusing screening criteria tied to body mass index, neck size, and other factors. Where do federal sleep apnea regulations stand? Every year, an average of 6 to 7% of drivers are referred for sleep studies during their DOT physical. Of those, 70% are found to need treatment of some kind. In order to diagnose sleep apnea or other sleeping disorders, your doctor may send you to a sleep center to spend a night and monitor your sleep. If you have been referred to get a sleep apnea test, CNS Occupational Medicine has partnered with Home Sleep, an experienced provider of home sleep testing services. All testing for sleep disorders can be done within the driver's home using best-in-class portable monitoring equipment, and it meets the FMCSA guidelines. The completed study will be reviewed by a CNS occupational medicine physician who will interpret the results. All results and recommendations will be provided directly to the driver. For DOT physical exams, drivers that are currently using a CPAP machine will need to bring in their compliance report that shows usage of greater than 4 hours per night at least 70% of the time. For more information on sleep apnea and our home sleep services, please visit us at cnsoccmed.com.